Darion and Crystal are already on the leaderboard. Any idea on the others? They are getting there, slowly climbing. उनका शुरू हो गया.
Bounty has started.
सब travel कर रहे थे and yes, Bounty has started. Yeah. Also, vlogs will be coming from Korea soon. Gary was unwell and Mohit is also getting there. So between Content Man and Mohit, there will be vlogs coming. And of course, as I said, our dear friend will be there soon as well. तो त्रिमूर्ति हमारे कोरिया से बहुत सारा K for content लाएंगे. VCL SA is starting in January, yes. Kelly and Papi are not currently in Seoul, they're currently in Philippines. They'll be flying out soon, very soon. But the rest of the team is already in Seoul in our boot camp. Practice अच्छी चल रही है. Practice चल रही है. अच्छी बुरी practice चल रही है. And for all of y'all that are here, अगर like नहीं किया है, subscribe नहीं किया है, now is a great time. It's free. आपको बिल्कुल भी 1 सेकंड से ज़्यादा नहीं लगेगा. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. SK Rossi, Russ, Lightning Fast creating their own team, right? Team बन गई है उनकी. और well, एक दो लोग बाकी है ना? And it's going to be really fun. I'm excited. I think it's going to be epic to have old GE versus new GE playing at VCL SA.
I think the new generation.
इंडिया में आग वापस लगने वाली है भाई लोग.
I think the new generation of GE will set the pace for Valorant in the coming years.
I think so as well.
Yeah.
I think young blood is going to be in a very good
बदलने
situation.
वाला है guys 2025 में. थोड़े rude shocks होने वाले हैं.
Good morning Disney.
थोड़ा पीतल लगान टाइम.
What's people लगान?
Brass taxes. Yeah. It's going to be interesting because we're going to finally have young talented players that are coming into Valorant for the first time. See, what happened was when we started in the scene, a lot of what we did, we transitioned our CS players, our CS learnings, our CS staff, everything into Valorant. This is the first project that we're doing from ground up from players that have come from Valorant, not from Counter-Strike. कोई और game से transition होके नहीं आया. Valorant is the game that they started with. So this is, I would say, probably the fresh breed of second generation or third generation of players.
We have one kid who played Fortnite.
Fortnite. Wow.
Oh.
Okay. So one of the guys has been a Fortnite player. See, so it's a very interesting mix that's coming in. It's going to be interesting. I want to see how the old guns hold up against the new guns because that is जब पता चले कि सीन आगे बढ़ रहा है. See, if the same old talent keeps winning, जैसे मोगो का roster था, if again that same roster is going to win, they already won as a OG core in the previous year as well. फिर अभी RNT की टीम जीती. Now if that core between these two rosters only फिर से अगर जीते, there's no progression happening. Means new players are not getting better. So we'll find out.